Today I'm going to show you exactly how to find winning products for TikTok Shop step by step. TikTok Shop is still one of the fastest growing e-commerce channels, but the most challenging part about it is to figure out which products actually have consistent demand, not just random one-day spike. So in this video, I'll walk you through a simple way to find winning products using real data and not guesswork. First, let's talk about why most people struggle with product research on TikTok Shop. The first mistake is choosing products solely based on what they personally like instead of what has proven demand. Just because something looks cool or shows up on the feed doesn't automatically mean that it's going to sell well on TikTok Shop. The second mistake is relying on random viral videos for product ideas. Sometimes a video can go super viral, but it doesn't really translate into real orders. And finally, a lot of people never think about whether they can create good content around the product. TikTok Shop is very content driven, so if the product is difficult to demonstrate or if it's not visually appealing in short videos, then it becomes much harder to sell. So with that in mind, let's quickly go over what actually makes a product a winning product on TikTok Shop. The first thing is that it solves a clear problem or gives someone an immediate benefit. When the product has a purpose, it's easier to show why people need it. Next, it needs to be visually appealing. TikTok is a very fast-paced platform, so people need to understand what the product does with the first few seconds of the video. If it looks good on camera and it's easy to demonstrate its benefits, then that already gives you an advantage. Another important factor is price point. Most viral products on TikTok Shop fall under that impulse buy range, typically under $60. If something is too expensive, it becomes much harder to convert without a long explanation, and that's not something that performs best on short-form content. Now that we know what makes a product a winner, this is where using real TikTok Shop data becomes important, and that's where Fastmos comes in. Fastmos is a TikTok Shop analytics tool that shows you exactly what's selling on the platform in real time. Instead of guessing or relying on your TikTok feed, you can actually see the products that are consistently selling, the categories that are performing the best, and the creators who are driving the most sales. Let me show you how to use Fastmos step by step. I've included a direct link below in the description, so if you want to follow along, I encourage you to sign up for a free trial, and once you sign up, you'll see this main dashboard. You can see the top selling products, the top TikTok creators, the most popular ads, and the most popular e-commerce videos. So all of the useful TikTok Shop data is at your fingertips. When you come into the Market Insight tab on the left-hand side, you can see the top selling categories. So here we're looking at the market size, and then we see the market growth rate here. So currently, you can see that beauty and personal care is the top selling category by market size. Then there's women's wear, followed by health, sports and outdoor, and then home supplies. And then we can scroll down, and here we can look at the price range analysis. And as we can see here, the best selling price range for products is anywhere from $5 to $60. That's why I talk about price range as one of the winning products criteria on TikTok Shop. You don't want the product to have too high of a price point. When you come into the category data here, you can see data in a specific category. So depending on what category you plan to sell in, that could be super helpful. For example, if we go to beauty and personal care, we can see the top selling products and also the top growth products all at a glance. We can scroll down and look at the sub-market sales data within your main category to see what types of products are selling or trending. So these data can help point you in the right direction if you're trying to decide exactly what to sell. You can also see the top selling products by going to the top selling tab here under product. For example, if we go to monthly, then we will see the top products here in the last month. You can see the exact products, their commission rate, the number of units sold, and also growth rate. Next, let's come into the product search. This is where you can set filters to search for potential winning products. You can choose the categories that you sell in. For now, I would just choose beauty and personal care. In terms of sales in the last 7 days, let's do at least 5,000. And let's hit search. And then when you scroll down, you will see the results. So here I would look for potential winning products. And let's check out this one, where it says sleep mask, and which is a weighted blanket for your eyes. We can click on the product, and it will take us to the product details page. And then we can see that this product is going quite viral right now. We can see that the viral index score is at 100. And then the popularity score is at 89. And when we come down here, we're able to see the sales trend. So here we're looking at the last 28 days. And we can look at the last 90 days to see a larger time frame, and we can see that this product is clearly trending up. And when you come down here under the related videos, you can see the exact video content that is generating sales. So let's look at the first one. It has gotten 6 million views and generated over $132,000 in revenue in the last 28 days. So let's check this out.
I just can't believe that in 2026 you're not using one of these to fall asleep at night. I haven't gone a night without this since I got it. When I put this on my face, my brain has no other choice but to turn off. It's a way to blanket for your eyes, so you put it on and it perfectly creates pressure on your eyes, on your temples, especially if you suffer from headaches. I guess don't get this if you don't want to fall asleep within minutes. I'm calling it now. The Nod Pod is going to be the most popular gift this Christmas. I mean, let's just face it. If you're sleeping poorly, you're going to show up poorly in your life. And that's just facts. So I'll link this down below. It's on sale right now.
So that was the video. And one very useful function in Fastmos is we can go to AI Video Insight. And that will automatically input the video link here. And you basically can have AI to break down the video content and see exactly what made the video successful, and just click on search. And once you do that, you'll see the exact script of the video, and you'll also see the script structure breakdown here. And what you can also do is to come to outline, and that will show you the exact detailed outline that was used in the video. So as you can see here, scene 1, the speaker is promoting an eye mask to help with sleep. For scene 2, the speaker explains how the eye mask works. And then the last scene of the video, it concludes by recommending the eye mask. So this can help you see exactly why the content works, and you can take the same principles and apply to your own video content. We can come back to this page and look at another example here. So let's look at this one. This one is an even simpler video, which is only 12 seconds long. And this video has generated 2 million views and over $41,000 in sales. So let's check this out. So that was basically just an overlay of text describing the benefits about the product with the video of the creator using the product as the background. And the creator didn't even speak in this video. So simple, direct videos can work really well on TikTok Shop. If you run TikTok ads, there is a whole ad section here inside of Fastmos, and you can see all types of ads that are performing well on TikTok. One last useful feature that will show you is the voice of the customer insights under AI Toolbox. It basically uses AI to analyze customers' reviews and comments to show you what people actually like or don't like about a product. This is extremely useful because it helps you understand the true reasons why a product is selling. You get to see the patterns, what customers keep mentioning, what pain points the product solves, and even what angles you can use in your content. Instead of guessing what people want, you can literally pull content ideas straight from real customer feedbacks. Before we wrap up, Fastmos is running a Black Friday and Cyber Monday deal right now. It's honestly one of the lowest prices you'll ever get. If you want to grab the lower pricing, the link is in the description below. You can also always start with a free trial. And if you decide to upgrade later, you can use my code KM1500 to get an extra 10% off. So if you're serious about finding winning products on TikTok Shop, I highly recommend you to check it out. Again, the link is below, and let's go make your next product a big winner.